Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about tangents and normals. Dear students, in this section we shall use differentiation to find the equation of the tangent line and the normal line to a curve at a given point. In the previous class, that is in the class 11, recall that the equation of a straight line passing through a given point x1 y1 having finite slope m is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Already we know, and using this concept here we will find the equation of tangent and normal. Now first we discuss about derivative as slope of tangent. Let y is equal to fx be a function and p xy means p is a point having coordinate xy be a point on this curve. Here this is a curve. If x is increased to x plus delta x, here x, this is the point xy means here this is x and this is y. If x is increased to x plus delta x, then its ordinate value is given by y plus delta y. Here this is y plus delta y and this is equal to f x plus delta x. The point x plus delta x plus y plus delta y is represented by a. Here this is a and having coordinates x plus delta x and y plus delta y. The line joining the point P and A is secant line. Dear students, what is secant line? A line which intersects a circle or a curve at two distinct points. Here this line intersects this curve at two distinct points A and P. So the line joining the point P and A is secant line to the curve. The line AB makes angle theta with positive x-axis. Here this is line AB which makes angle theta with positive direction, in positive direction with x-axis here. In triangle APC, here this triangle APC, already we know here if this angle is theta, then this angle will be also theta. Why? Corresponding angle. Now we take triangle APC. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base AC by PC, and this is equal to delta y by delta x. Here this value is delta y because here this value is y plus delta y and this value is x plus delta x. So what is this value? X plus delta x minus x. You will get delta x, and here y plus delta y minus y. Here this is y corresponding to this. So y plus delta y minus y, you will get delta y. So delta y by delta x, and this is implied that tan theta equal to delta y by delta x. Dear students, as delta x tending to 0, what is the meaning? Meaning of that is the point A will move along the curve always aiming to coincide with point P. Here, if delta x, this value tends to 0, means this point becomes to coincide with this point P. Here, this is the meaning. PA will rotate about P and theta will tend to alpha. Means here this line becomes to this line, and in this case this line makes angle alpha with x-axis here. This is the meaning. PA will rotate about P and theta will tend to alpha. When therefore delta x tending to 0, the angle approaches a certain limit alpha here, and the line AB approaches to the tangent line through P. Here, AB approaches the tangent line, here this tangent line through P, and this tangent line passes through P. So tan alpha equal to limit A tends to P tan theta, here A tends to P tan theta equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x. Here tan theta is equal to delta y by delta x. And what is the meaning of this is equal to dy by dx or f dash x. This is very important. Dy by dx or f dash x, which means dy by dx or f dash x at certain point P xy here is slope of tangent to the curve at the point P xy. Means dy by dx or f dash x shows the slope of tangent to the curve at the point P xy. And using this result, we will find the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at x1 y1 on the curve y is equal to fx is given by, here already we have discussed about this. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. What is this? This is the equation of a straight line passing through a given point x1 y1 having finite slope m is given by y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Here m is the slope of tangent. So here we have the slope of tangent is dy by dx. So using this concept and this result here, what is the equation of tangent? Equal to y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at a given point. What is given point? x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of tangent. Normal, the normal to a curve at a point P x1 y1 is a line perpendicular to the tangent. Here this is a tangent line, and this line is perpendicular to the tangent line, and this line is also and this line passes through the point P also. So this is called the normal. Here the normal to a curve at P having coordinate x1 y1 is a line perpendicular to the tangent. Here this line is perpendicular to this tangent line at P. Here this is point P and passing through P, and this line is passes through P also. So this is normal. Slope of normal at P equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent at P, and this is equal to minus 1 by, and already we know slope of tangent at P is dy by dx. So minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1. Equation of normal, this is the slope of the normal. And what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal at p x1 y1 to the curve y is equal to fx is given by y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the normal. Dear students, note here, if a tangent line to the curve y is equal to fx makes an angle theta with x axis in the positive direction, then this is very important, dy by dx equal to slope of the tangent, and this is equal to tan theta. Now we discuss about angle between two curves. Let two curves y is equal to f1x and y is equal to f2x intersect each other at point P. Here this curve is y is equal to y2 equal to f2x, and this curve is y1 equal to f1x here, and these two curves intersect each other at the point P. Then angle between the curve at P is measured as the angle between their tangents at P. Here this angle between their tangents, here AB is the tangent at the curve y is equal to f2x, and CD is a tangent at the curve y1 equal to f1x. So angle this theta is between these two tangents here at P. Therefore, if slopes of tangents AB and CD of two curves at P be m1, m2, we have supposed here, and theta is the angle between them at P here, then tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. And in terms of derivatives we can write here. Dear students, we know that m1, that is slope of tangent, and this is also denoted by dy by dx or f dash x. So using this result here, in terms of derivatives we can write tan theta equal to f1 dash x1 y1 minus f2 dash x2 y2 by 1 plus f1 dash x1 y1 into f2 dash x2 y2 in modulus form, means mod of this here, where x1 y1 is the point of intersection of the curves here, point of intersection of the curves here. Now we discuss about orthogonal curves. This is also very important. Two curves are said to be orthogonal if they intersect at 90 degree. Here, if theta becomes 90 degree, then this is called the orthogonal curves. Here, this is also very important. Particular cases here. First, if slope of the tangent line is 0, means dy by dx equal to 0 here, then tan theta equal to 0, or tan theta equal to 0 means theta equal to 0, which means the tangent line is parallel to the x-axis. Meaning of that is, if dy by dx equal to 0, meaning of that is the tangent line is parallel to the x-axis, and if it is parallel to the x-axis, meaning of that is dy by dx equal to 0. In this case, the equation of the tangent at the point x1 y1 is given by y equal to y1. Here, using this result, dy by dx is equal to 0, and putting in the equation of the tangent, we get y equal to y1. If theta tending to pi by 2, then tan theta tending to infinite, which means the tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis, that is parallel to the y-axis. Meaning of that is, if theta tends to pi by 2, means tan theta tends to infinite. What is the meaning? Meaning of that is, tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis, that is parallel to the y-axis. In this case, the equation of the tangent at x1, y1 is given by x equal to x1. Here, using this result and putting in the equation of the tangent, we get this. Now, we will discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 6.3 from NCERT. Question number 10. Find the equation of all lines having slope -1 that are tangents to the curves y equal to 1 by x minus x1, where x not equal to 1. So, to find the solution here, we have y equal to 1 by x minus 1. So, dear students, here first we find the slope, means dy by dx. So, dy by dx equal to -1 by x minus 1 whole square. You will get here. We will get here. It is given that slope of tangent is -1. Already here, -1. And this is also the slope. So, we will equate here -1 by x minus 1 whole square equal to -1, and we simplify this here, we get x minus 1 equal to plus minus 1, and at x equal to 1 and at x minus 1 equal to 1 and at x minus 1 equal to -1, we get here x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 2, we find y, and this is equal to 1. At x is equal to 0, we find y, we get -1. Therefore, the points on the given curve are here. The points are 2, 1, 0, -1. These are the coordinates of the points. Therefore, equation of tangent at point 2, 1 is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x equal to 2, y is equal to 1, here x minus x1. We put using the equation of the tangent and putting the value of here x1, y1. So we get y minus 1 equal to -1, that is dy by dx into x minus 2, and we simplify this, we get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. And for this point 0, -1, here we get x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the required lines are x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Question number 24. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 at the point x0, y0. Dear students, here we have given the equation of the curve, that is parabola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. First we find the slope, means differentiating both sides with respect to x we have. Here we find from here you can see we find dy by dx at x0 y0 here already given in the question here point x0 y0 and this is equal to b square x0 by a square y0. So equation of tangent at x0 y0 is here y minus y0 equal to b square x0 by a square y0 x minus x0 means using the formula of the equation of tangent here. And dear students, we solve here and we can see that here we get x0 by a square minus y0 by b square is equal to 1. Here already you have given x0 by a square minus y0 by b square is equal to x0 square by a square minus y0 square by b square. Dear students, here the value of this equal to 1 from the equation here given in the question x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So at x0 y0 this is also equal to 1 and putting this value here we get this x0 by a square minus y0 by b square is equal to 1 which is the equation of the tangent. Now we find the equation of the normal. Here already you know y minus y0 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx here. So b square x0 by a square y0 into x minus x0 and we solve this here and we get y minus y0 by a square y0 plus x minus x0 by b square x0 equal to 0 which is the required equation of the normal. Question number 27. Choose the correct answer here. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at point. Here we choose which one is correct. Dear students, the equation of the curve here we have y square is equal to 4x and we find dy by dx. Here means we differentiate this with respect to x and we get here dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. Already we know this is the slope of tangent and already here we have given the equation of line y is equal to x plus 1 and here the slope is 1. If we compare this line with y is equal to mx plus c then we find that m is equal to 1. So slope of line y equal to x plus 1 is 1 and here slope is also we find here dy by dx is equal to 2 by y and equating these two slopes we get y is equal to 2. So when y is equal to 2 putting this value in the equation of line here we get x is equal to 1. So the required point is 1 2. So correct option is A, that is 1 2. Dear students, remaining questions of exercise 6.3 are homework. Thank you.